Hello guys, today we are going to unbox Haos Pegatrix, or just Pegatrix. And yeah, in the last video, or the part 1, I unboxed Ventus Trox, but now we have to unbox Pegatrix, and this is part 2 of the video. And yeah, here we have the packaging or the box, so yeah. So the first one we can see Dragonoid here, and it says Bakugan Bad Planet, so Bad Brothers. Here we have Pegatrix, here we have Dan, and here we say Bakugan Pegatrix, and so with 2 Baku cores, and it's from Spin Master. And here back we can see Bakugan Fan Hub, we can see download the app. You can download the app, and yeah, you can, like I said before, it's not arrived in my country, so I can't play it or something. And then we have what this includes is 1 Bakugan, 1 character card, and 2 Baku cores. And yeah, here we have much text and stuff. Here we have pop-up Bakugan. You can see that how it rules and it pops up. And here you can see how do you rule for Bakugan.com. And here you can buy other Bakugans, Fangsaur, Hydrus, Dragonoid, or Trox. But yeah, this was the back. So now let's start to unbox it. Box, and then we can just go with this. Yeah, so yeah guys, here we have the cores, and we have the card, and yeah, the background. So we begin with the cards. Pegatrix, so yeah, so here we have the card. You can see Pegatrix in a picture. You can see that it's a combination of a unicorn and yeah, Pegasus, and it's a horse, of course. And you can see the symbol here. It stands for Haos, and it say Pegatrix. 500 points or power, I don't know. Here we have 2 power, or yeah, I don't know what it is. Here we have the text or something. It's plus 200 E plus 2 strong or something. I don't really know. But yeah, here is the card. Very nice. Then got 3 cards. And then we have the Baku cores. Let's use a hand or something. A knuckle hand or something. And it means strong or something. Here you can see the plus 100 power. Like powers, Haos plus 3 strong or something power. I don't really know how to. Here the other one is a knuckle, like I said, like the other one, a hand. Then we have plus 115 points or something, plus 1 strong power. I don't know. So yeah, that was the Baku cores. Now we have to unbox this. Oh. Wait, how are we going to open this up? Oh wait, is this the wing, or wait, what? Can't open the wing. Oh, so so yeah, this is Pegatrix. As you can see, here we have the head, the hone, and say it's 500 points or power, I don't know. Here we have the wings of Pegatrix and the tail, and 4 legs or feet. You can see the hooves, or I think it hooves. The horse feet is a special. I don't know how to say it in English, but I think these hooves. I don't really know. So yeah, you can see that it is a head of a horse and then the horn of a unicorn. And yeah, the wings. You can see the little wings there above the leg there. And yeah, kind of cool. It's details and yeah. So yeah, Pegatrix is a combination of a unicorn and Pegasus. So it's very nice. This Bakugan seems very nice and cool. We're going to try to close it if I can, of course. Oh, I did it. Nice. So yeah, here is Pegatrix in ball form. You can see it here. Kinda nice. And yeah, now we're going to test to roll it. Roll it, or yeah. Here we have the metal space or something. Now we test it. Oh, nice. We got it. So yeah, here we have it. Pegatrix. So you don't need to pop up something like the horn or the legs, like some trucks. It pops out like this, so you don't need to, yeah, push up a horn or legs or something. So yeah, guys, I must say that this Bakugan is kind of cool. I think the owner to this Bakugan is Leah. Is a female or a girl? Is it? Yeah. I must say it. Yeah. Kinda nice Bakugan, I must say. So yeah. Next time we're going to unbox starter pack of Bakugan. So it's a 3-pack starter pack. So yeah. Where we have there we have it. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, even if it were kind of fast, but that's because I have more space in my phone, so that's why I'm recorded with my phone, so that's why. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and next time we're going to unbox starter pack of Bakugan Battle Planet, 3 Bakugans and yeah, cards and stuff. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So bye.